How's it going, guys? Hey, I just want to do a little product update on these overlays for the wheels here. I've had them on, I'd say, maybe a month and a half or so. They've been holding up great. Had a lot of rain here recently, and I've had no issues with them. It's probably one of my favorite things I've done to my car, especially for the price. Really nice, get a lot of compliments on it. And again, it's a great way to change the look of your car without spending a ton of money. I might eventually get black wheels, I'm not sure. Depends how long these hold up, but so far I'm loving them. As I look more closely, I can see certain areas where when I applied them, I didn't go all the way up and around like the top lip. So there's a few spots where I can see a little of the polished edges shining through, but I don't know if I mentioned this before. What I do for those areas, I just take some Plasti-Dip, spray it in a little cup, take a fine tip brush, and just brush the little edge where the polish is, so it covers the polish area, so you can't tell. Then if you ever take it off, you can just peel the Plasti-Dip with it. And I just brush it one time, one little coat, and it covers it, so your eye won't notice it. But again, I love these. If you guys are on the fence about it, I would definitely give it a shot. You know, just when you apply it, make sure it's clean and make sure it's pretty warm out. I used a lot of heat to get it really tacky, and that's what I think helps. If you don't apply a lot of heat, it might not stick as great. But when I applied it, I put it on high heat, so much so that it was almost burning my fingers when I touched it. But then it was really tacky, and it goes around the edges. I love it. It's a great product. I figure if I get hopefully maybe a year out of them or so, you know, then by that time maybe buy new wheels or, you know, see what the options are at that point. But again, if you guys are liking this and thinking about doing your own car, I would definitely take a look at this. It's a lot cheaper option than buying new wheels, especially if you're not sure if you like the look. You know, this way if you get tired of it, you can peel it off. But so far I'm loving it. I've seen a lot of you guys do this and it looks great on your guys' cars. I think it goes with every color. It's just a more aggressive look to it. Might have a video coming up pretty soon. I have some new 3M overlays I'm gonna try on the headlights, so stay tuned for that. Hope everyone's doing good. I appreciate all you guys' support. I really do. Hope you guys have a great day. Thanks so much.